In this quick video, I'm going to share with you a free indicator that is going to change your trading career and your investing career forever. This indicator, the BX Trender, was able to catch the massive 998% breakout that we have seen on Palantir since June of 2023. And I'm going to show you in this video exactly how to trade this setup and how this indicator works. Now, if you want to actually download the indicator and set up our proprietary settings, it's completely free. The link to our entire trading library is down below. So no credit card, no catch, no BS. All we ask in return is that you just share it with other traders who you think need to see this type of information. The link to that BX course will be right here. Now, this is a monthly chart of Palantir. So this is basically showing us what price action did for an entire month with one candlestick. Within those free courses, we have a complete beginner's charting foundation course. In case you don't know how to read charts, you can learn it all there. Now, this works not just for trading, but even long-term investing, because a market or a stock will only go up if there are institutional buyers in the market, aka people who can actually move the price of a stock. If there are not any institutional buyers present or enough people who can actually move the stock won't go anywhere. It doesn't matter what the PE ratio is. It doesn't matter what the EPS is. It doesn't matter if it pays a dividend. None of that shit matters. If people are not buying, the stock will not move. It's as simple as that. Now, if we actually look at the indicator at the bottom of your screen, when the indicator is green, it means that buyers control the market. When the indicator is not present or red, it means sellers control the market. Now, very simply, we do not want to trade a market where sellers are in control. We only want to trade a market where buyers are in control. So if we look at Palantir, you can see that the first time the BX Trender turns green is June of 2023. And if we would have entered then and held since then, we would be up in just 2 years over 1,000%. Now, this purple line that you see here is our price behavior explorer. This actually shows what our bot or what this strategy is expecting price action to do, which has moved to damn near absolute perfection. Now, if we actually look at the returns, you can see them down here. There's only been one position so far, which means we don't have a big enough sample size for this. But that's why I want to show you this exact setup on plenty of other stocks, such as Nvidia. 67% return over the past 26 years with a 33,000% profit, 67% win rate, and a risk versus reward of 11-to-1, meaning that when we win 11 times what we are losing. Now, a win rate of 67% is ridiculously good. My personal win rate is only 62%. But the most important thing when you're building out a strategy or following a strategy is your risk versus reward. You need to make sure that you are getting an outsized return for the amount of risk that you're going to potentially put on the table. Let's take a look at something else like the S&P 500. 791% return with a lower 57% win rate, but once again, a 6.32% return or risk versus reward. Tesla, over 15 years, 3,400% net return with a win rate of lower than that, 44%. Now, once again, the reason it's so strong is because of the risk versus reward, which this is 20-to-1. We have an average win of 390% profit and an average loss of 18%. I promise you that trading and investing is significantly simpler than you think from a technical and quantitative position. I've literally showed you one simple indicator that if you would have followed on multiple stocks for the past couple of decades, you would have made more money than you know what to do with. But the problem, the key, the aspect that everybody misses is that while this is simple to execute from a mechanical standpoint, it is not simple from a psychological standpoint. And I can give you all of these indicators for free, but if you don't stick to them, they will be meaningless. Now, within our free courses, we do have a trading psychology course, which will teach you how I was able to get over the hump of losing, learning how to be okay with it, how I think in probabilities. That will be linked down below. But if you can take one thing away from this video, it's that execution of your strategy and sticking to it through thick and thin is more important than all of the bullshit that's out there, all of the noise that's out there. And I can promise you, if you can do that, you can achieve some insane results.